Hello, 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 and welcome to Yolanda's Daily Bread. As a believer, one of the ways of kicking fear to the curb is to remember that we are a blessing. And as a blessing, when you're public speaking or sharing your service and products, remember that you are a blessing to the world. Not always the world is a blessing to you. So to remove the fear is to be able to come in and say, you know what? I'm here to serve. I'm here to give. I'm here to bring the glory of the Lord. So when you do that, it takes away the fear and it elevates your confidence and your light shines even brighter. And remember, the light that's shining bright in you is the light of the Holy Spirit. And that's what the world needs. It needs the Holy Spirit. And you're the one bringing it in, ushering it in to a dark world. Bye-bye.